Hi, I'm Peter with Hands-On Meditation, and welcome to my meditation studio. As you can see, it is not exactly a Zen garden. All you really need is a place to hide from the children or escape whatever in life is causing a lot of distractions. In this case, a closet works just fine. I like to sit in a chair when I meditate, but you could sit on the floor, you can lean against a wall. There aren't really any rules here, so whatever makes you comfortable. You can always use a heating pad around your neck and shoulders if that helps you relax. There are a few things that I recommend having in your meditation studio. Sometimes it's nice to play a little white noise in the background to help drown out any distractions. As you begin to relax during the meditation, you might start to remember things. That's right, I gotta buy some quinoa, or is it quinoa? How's it spelled? And you really don't want that running through your head during the meditation, so jot it down on the notepad, put it off to the side, and you can return to the meditation. It's really better not to end the meditation with an alarm going off because that's really startling, so instead, you can just glance over at the time and that'll be a better way to keep track. Some people will advise that you don't have any caffeine before you meditate, and I don't recommend having 3 cups of coffee, but I wake up pretty early, so a couple of sips of coffee and the smell puts me in a good mood. If you meditate in the evening, you can always keep a glass of wine off to the side. That'll be something to look forward to when you finish. This is a really comfortable set of beach stones, and it gives me a nice focus to begin the meditation. You could also use hacky sacks, baseballs, oranges. A lot of different household objects will work. And that's about all you really need for a perfect meditation studio. It's pretty basic. Please share this video with your friends and leave me a comment about how your meditation studio is set up. I'd love to hear about it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do that right now. I have a lot of great resources in production. You'll be the first one to find out as soon as I release them. I hope today goes well and enjoy your meditation.